Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to safely convert your Windows disk from MBR to GPT and convert Windows existing installation from Legacy BIOS to UEFI, which will unlock full storage support and future-proof your system. With this Windows built-in tool, you can convert without reinstalling Windows and without moving or losing your data. My name is Mazhar, and at RightSolutions, I create tutorial for all you DIY people. Now, let's get started. So, why to convert MBR to GPT? MBR, or Master Boot Record, is an older partition format used with legacy BIOS system. It only supports disks up to 2 terabytes, and you are limited to 4 primary partitions, where the GPT or GUID partition table is modern standard for UEFI systems. It supports massive storage sizes, more partitions, cleaner boot files, and better reliability. If you are upgrading hardware, installing Windows 10 or 11, or want to use UEFI for a smoother and faster boot experience, converting to GPT is the best way to go. But before we continue, here are a few important precautions. The number one and very important, backup all your data. Make sure your hardware supports UEFI. If it's a system boot drive, know the risks. Double check that you are converting the correct disk. After conversion, switch from BIOS Legacy to UEFI. Now, if you're comfortable with these precautions, that's great. Otherwise, reconsider whether you really need to convert it. And now if you decided, let's dive in it. Let's check the existing drive's partition style first. And for that, right-click on the Windows Start button and select Disk Management. In this window, select the disk you want to check. Right-click and select the Properties. In here, click on the Volume tab. And here is your disk's partition style, which is MBR. Now, close this pop-up and close this disk management window. If you noticed, I only have one drive attached to my system. That means operating system is running on that same drive. So I will use Windows recovery environment for this conversion, and for that, press the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the power button and select Restart and keep your Shift button pressed. Wait until you see this Windows blue recovery screen. It can take time. I will fast forward this. Now you can release the Shift button. On this screen, click on Troubleshoot and then click Advanced Options. And on this page, you will find all your tools. So just open the command prompt here. And in this command prompt, type mbr to gpt.exe /validate and hit enter. If validation completed successfully, then proceed to the next command, which is mbr to gpt.exe /convert and hit enter. While the utility is busy in converting, you should pay attention to this warning text, which says MBR to GPT will now attempt to convert the default boot disk. If conversion is successful, the disk can only be booted in GPT mode. These changes cannot be undone. This also will take some time, depends on your data and the size of your partition and the disks. I will fast forward this. And now the conversion completed successfully, and also pay attention to the last line here, which says before the new system can boot properly, you need to switch the firmware to boot to UEFI mode. Type exit to get out of this command prompt, and now press this power button to turn off your PC. After conversion, you need to switch from BIOS to UEFI mode, and for that, press the power button to restart your system. Watch for the manufacturer's logo and press the corresponding key repeatedly until the BIOS screen appears. Your BIOS screen may look different, but change will be very similar. On my MSI motherboard, click on Settings, then go to Advanced menu, look for Legacy or BIOS or CSM, click on it and change it to UEFI. Now save it and exit, and now restart your PC. Windows should boot straight into UEFI mode, and you will see sign in page. Key in your password, and now let's verify the disk partition style again. Right click on the start button, select disk management. In this window, right click on disk 0, select properties, and now in this new tab here, click on volumes, and here you can see your partition style is GPT. And that's it. You have successfully converted your disk from MBR to GPT and enabled UEFI boot. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.